Yes guys, Matt here from Plant-Based Living. So today we're talking about what many people call is the most important meal of the day, breakfast. Many people think of veganism as being way too difficult for different reasons. Part of my job is to explain just how easy it can be. One of those tricks is vegan meal prepping. So you're going to get a lot of work done in advance, so setting yourself up for the week. Today we're going to take care of breakfast. Here we've got a recipe for a Bircher Muesli, also known as overnight muesli. Really nice this one, it's going to set you up for the rest of the day. Nice and satiating, delicious. So let's get stuck in. Okay guys, so for this recipe what you're going to need is 700 grams of whole rolled oats, 100 grams of dried apricots, these are the unsulfured kind, so a bit darker in colour, 100 grams of almonds, 100 grams of Brazil nuts, 100 grams of pumpkin seeds, 100 grams of sunflower seeds, and finally 100 grams of raisins. So you're also going to need a food processor. First thing you're going to do is throw in your almonds and Brazil nuts, and what we're going to do is pulse them. So it's worth noting guys that Brazil nuts are a fantastic source of selenium. Just 3 nuts a day will give you your RDA, really good for your brain basically. So get those in your diet if you can. So go ahead and pour in your oats into a nice large container like this. Oats are one of the best things that you can have for breakfast guys. Really good complex carbohydrate, even a good source of protein, and they come along with other vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. So once you've got that all mixed up guys in that nice large container, grab yourself another smaller container and portion yourself out about 200 grams. This is going to be enough for about 2 more breakfasts, and you can just keep going back to that larger tub and portion out every couple of days. So you can kind of pimp the flavours as you like guys, depending on your taste. One of my favourite things to add is grated apple and cinnamon. It gives an amazing flavour. After that I'm just going to cover it with milk and leave it in the fridge overnight. So the final stage is just pouring over a little bit of extra milk, and that is good to go. This is just a fantastic breakfast guys. It's soft, creamy, sweet from the fruit, plus you've got that nice texture from the nuts and the seeds. It's just an amazing powerhouse source of fuel and vitamins and minerals. So definitely give this one a try.